So I hear a lot of people saying that AI is not real and it's not going to change things. I happen to think it's going to change a lot of things. And I also happen to think that having a brand, having a voice is going to matter quite a bit. And I mean, I guess it's up for argument. You could say that, well, the entire internet's going to be full of AI generated videos and content, so nobody's going to watch it at all. I tend to think that in a world of AI, authenticity and community are going to be important. So in any event, I love YouTube. I've been on YouTube for a while. A lot of people think that AI doesn't help with YouTube, and I will say that that is absolutely incorrect. I use AI every single day to grow the YouTube channel. This year, I'm probably going to clear probably close to $20,000 in revenue between sponsorships and AdSense. That's not including some other streams of income that come from YouTube. And I just love it. I think it's an awesome opportunity. And in today's video, I just wanted to kind of briefly show you Backstage Pass. I've been working on a workshop to kind of just pull back the curtain and show exactly what I'm doing with AI, specifically Claude and YouTube, because one of the superpowers of Claude is Cowork, and Cowork's ability to go into different platforms using your Chrome browser and collect tons and tons of analytics and data, everything from audience to content, what's working, what's not working. And I use a number of AI tools, but Claude Cowork is really, really powerful. And I use Claude Cowork for a lot of different programs. I use it with Google ads, Meta ads, TikTok ads, WordPress, basically any piece of the tech stack. But I'm going to be hosting a workshop tomorrow. If you click the link below, you're going to get access to my YouTube playbook completely for free. And after you grab that, I will send you a personal email with a Zoom link to join the session tomorrow. And even if you're not big on YouTube yet, it would still be cool to see you. I know we've got a lot of fans on the channel that are not on YouTube, but you love AI, you love what's happening, you want to chat with me, come join the workshop. It's completely free. Spoiler, at the end of the workshop, I'm going to try to have you join my community where you actually grow your YouTube channel with me, with audits, with more workshops and worksheets. But regardless, you don't have to do that. You can grab my YouTube playbook for free. Now, this YouTube playbook, I think, is really sweet. I went back and forth, used Claude Cowork to build it. And it comes with a lot of really important things. Everything from the viewer psychology that you need to get people to watch your videos and stay watching your videos. But wait, there's more. There's a bunch of different prompts in here to help you leverage Cowork as your superpower. Because I think that for a lot of YouTubers, they're either not using Claude enough or they're using it too much. And I'm going to walk you through what I found works. And I'm really excited about it. And I just want to check in with you guys because I promise to bring you fresh AI videos 6 days a week from Monday through Saturday. On Sunday, that's Lord's Day, I rest. But Monday through Saturday, I'll be here. And I just want to pop in and show you what I've been working on today. I'm going to have a great curriculum tomorrow. So go ahead, check in with the link below. And I would like to see you in the session. It's going to be a great session. We're going to have a lot of good stuff going on. And again, at the end of the day, I'm just going to open it back and say, like, guys, this is how I'm using AI personally to grow my YouTube channel. And it's at a point now where I'm probably going to clear about $20,000 on YouTube this year, which is to me amazing. And when you look at, you see, well, Mark, this says $9,000. Well, if you look at just this year, or just the last 365 days, that's 7,600. Almost all of the revenue has come over the past 12 months. And we've had a few spikes. And I think what's also interesting when you look at the data on viewership or on watch time, I think watch time is more important. You can see there's just in the past year, we've had these big spikes, and that is because of, it's not because of luck. It's because of following a framework to replicate success and to train AI and use AI to create more success and create a flywheel. So anyway, I want to show you how I'm doing that. I think this applies to just about any social media platform, any marketing platform, anywhere that you want to get people's attention and convert it. This flywheel will work, although we're specifically covering YouTube. I wasn't sharing, but at any rate, as you can see here, about almost all the revenues come in the past year. And again, this spike in watch time is not luck. It's completing that framework. So anyway, I'm going to share it all with you. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to go ahead and let you go and get back to putting this workshop together, but I think it's going to be great. Click the link below to get my my free workbook and I'll shoot you an email to join the workshop tomorrow. All right, peace.